Today I'm showing you one of the simplest beef shank recipes. Greetings to you all and welcome back to my channel. I'm making beef shank stew. It's one of my personal favorites and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. I begin by cleaning the beef shank and gathering all the ingredients. Please find the ingredients in the description box as we jump right into the video. I start by cutting open the outer layer that holds the shape of the shank. Doing this prevents the shank from curling up when being browned. I will not remove any of the membrane or fat because they will break down and enhance the taste of the stew. I dissolve the chicken stockpot with hot water and season the shank. I'm using salt and black pepper to taste and a teaspoon each of onion powder, sweet paprika and garlic powder. I use half of the spices on each side, add olive oil and rub it all in. At this point, I usually coat the shank with plain flour, shaking off any excess, but I got distracted and skipped this step. I heat some oil and add the shanks. Because I forgot to coat them in flour, this is what I did. If there is one thing to take away from this video, this is it. Do not do this. It can easily backfire because you risk adding too much flour, and this loose flour can burn and leave the stew tasting bitter. I repeat the browning process with the last piece. This will add flavor to the stew, so I will leave it as it is. I now add a little more oil followed by the onions. However, if there's too much flour left behind or it is too burnt, or you're just not sure, wipe or wash the pot before adding the onions. I saute the onions a little and add the stock. I add ginger paste, tomato paste and garlic paste. I stir to combine, add the meat and top it up with water, then I cook it on low until the meat is cooked. It took an hour and a half for this to cook. I occasionally stir and add water as needed to ensure that the meat does not burn. The meat is now cooked, so I adjust salt to taste and let this cook for another 5 to 10 minutes to ensure that the salt has blended in well. The meat is now cooked and is falling off the bones, which is how I like it. Our beef shank stew is ready, so I turn the heat off. I served it with mashed potatoes and it was delicious. For my mashed potatoes recipe, check out the video linked above. I hope you try this recipe and love it as much as we do. If you try it, please let us know how yours turned out in the comments section. Please hit the like button and share this video as a way of supporting the channel. And for more of my simple recipes, remember to subscribe and tap the notification bell to be notified every time I put up a new post. Thanks for watching and bye for now.